If you're experiencing a verification pending issue on Craft.io, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Verify that you have received the verification email from Craft.io. If you haven't, check your spam or junk folder. If the email is missing, you may need to request a new verification email from the Craft.io platform. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you did not receive the initial email, go to the Craft.io login page and look for the option to resend the verification email. Enter your registered email address and follow the prompts to receive a new verification link. Step 3. Click the verification link. Once you receive the verification email, open it and click on the verification link provided. This action should confirm your email address and update your account status. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to Craft.io support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and a description of the problem to expedite the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending issue on Craft.io. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.